What's up everybody, welcome to another video here at the beach again in November, mind you. That beautiful sunshine, nice hot weather. The water's a little cool, but it's gonna be an epic video, an epic day, so stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun, people. So we're here at the beach. Like I said, the water is great, people. Now we're gonna do an extreme, more than few second water test. We're gonna be going underwater with the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, 10 meter, 33 feet, without a waterproof case, in salted water. So let's do that right now. Okay people, what's cool, I just left that right there like that. Okay, what's cool, people, is that this place right here, there's like a rock barrier that was built especially for this section right here to kill all the waves, meaning no waves will come here. It's very rare you'll see waves in the waters. A little cold, but no worries, the body temperature will adapt and it'll be epic underwater. So let's do that. 3, 2, 1. That was amazing. I can't wait to see how the video came out on this. The GoPro is just every day surprising me more and more from its capabilities, from its new hyper smooth stability, from its amazing time warp. Is just an epic of a beast. Plus its microphone, which might suck right now because it just went underwater. It was so epic, just an amazing experience. I was having so much fun. I actually lost track of time, and I'm actually kind of late, right on time for work, so I gotta get out of here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Exclusively it was for the underwater purpose, to see how the GoPro Hero 7 Black does. Till next time, my friends, be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam!